Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to give you a short review about Outfany cooling ace legit or is it scam. As you can see, this is a tower type product here, and this will give you cold air in front of you if you will ever use it. So in this video, I'm going to simply review it, that how it will help you and is it worth purchasing it. As you can see, there is eye-catching social media ads that will promise you to. The Outfanning Cooling AC marketing bits has initiated social media in recent months. You can use these ACs at home, at your office, at your outside, or on your cabin where you work. So the device is shown cooling down rooms in milliseconds, providing powerful airflow exceeding that of fans fraction of the price, but energy consumption AC unit. So first of all, basically we need to understand that this product is not a typical air conditioner. So it's a basic cooler, a tower cooler that will help you to get cool air through the comp parts or anything available in this product. Like if you add water to it, if you add anything other, the cooling material in it. So firstly check for that. Now, as you can see, this brand is generic. Generic means the 50% things are worth it, and 50% are useless and they really cannot use it. So, what we need to understand is you can buy any of this product, the same product from an authorized company or any other popular company, brand, or etc. electronic brand, where you get the full bill, where you get the worth it price. Because I don't think that the price of this product is worth it to buy it. Instead of it, you can purchase some cooler, a big cooler for you, or any other product that will give you cool air through this. Because I think that investing in this product will not be so much worthy. So yeah, you can read out the things on their official website. My conclusion is you can buy some other thing, find some alternative method, or find any reputed website to buy purchase the things like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.